Hello children, today we are going to start chapter 5, that is industries. Okay children, so in this chapter we are going to discuss about industries. What are industries? What are industries? Different types of industries, how these industries work, clear, and what are the different work of different types of industries. So let us start the chapter by this example. See, this is journey begins. Okay, journey begins, paper made and it recycled again. Have you ever given a thought to the fact that the notebook you see for writing has come to you after a long process of manufacturing? Okay children, all of you or all of us are using notebooks, books. Have you ever think from where these are coming? It started its life as part of a tree. Okay children, the notebook or the book which we are having is made from trees. It was cut and transported to the pulp mill. There the wood of the trees was processed and converted into wood pulp. The wood pulp was mixed with chemicals and finally changed into paper by machines. This paper found its way to the press where ink made from chemicals was used to print the lines on the pages. The pages were then bound in the form of notebook, packed and sent to the market for sale. Finally, it reached to your hands. So see, there are many processes. First of all, the trees are cut, then they are transported to the pulp mill where wood pulp was mixed with the chemicals and finally it changed into paper by machines. Okay children, so this is an example how different raw materials are converted into finished goods. So we are going to discuss only this in this chapter. Okay, industries. So what are industries, beta? Production of goods in large quantities after processing from raw materials to more valuable product is called manufacturing. Okay, manufacturing or industries both are same thing. So industries, they belong to secondary activities. These are included in secondary activities which changes raw material into products of more value to people. Take raw materials are converted into more valuable products. Okay, as we have discussed earlier, pulp was changed into paper and paper into a notebook. These represent the two stages of manufacturing process. The paper made from pulp and cloth made from cotton have value added to them at each stage of manufacturing process. In this way, the finished product has more value and utility than raw materials that it is made from. Okay, so the value of finished goods or products is more than the value of raw material. Okay. Now, industry refers to an economic activity that is concerned. Industry is an economic activity. It is an economic activity that is concerned with, number one, production of goods, extraction of minerals, or provision of services. Okay. So, in simple words, industry refers to an economic activity that is concerned with the production of goods, extraction of minerals, and provision of services. Thus, we have iron and steel industry. Example for this, iron and steel industry. It is an example of production of goods, extraction of mineral. Example for this, coal mining. Okay. And third is provision of services, that is tourism industry. Okay, children. So, what are industries? These are the units where raw materials are converted into more valuable products. Okay, and it is an example of secondary activity. It is an economic activity which is concerned with production of goods, extraction of minerals, and provision of services. Okay, so this is all for this video. In the next video, we will discuss classification of industries. Okay, thank you.